Let's take a full tour of a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom in Edgewater, Miami, Florida, with wraparound balconies, ocean views, city views, super spacious, and much more. I am Stefania Mogollon, luxury real estate agent here in Miami, Florida. Follow me also on TikTok and Instagram for more tips, tricks, and real estate news. Now let's get into this. This beautiful condo is called Paraiso Bayviews, and it is located in the up-and-coming Edgewater neighborhood between downtown Miami and the highly sought-after Design District, but also just steps away from Midtown Miami and Wynwood, offering access to a wealth of businesses, dining, and entertainment options. And for those traveling, Miami International Airport is just 15 minutes away. Edgewater has always been considered a residential neighborhood offering charming early 20th century homes and older high-rise to mid-rise residential towers. However, over the past few decades, the population of Edgewater has grown tremendously, causing the older homes and towers to be renovated or torn down to make way for newer homes or condo towers, and for the urbanization of this bayfront community. The tour of this luxurious condo apartment begins in the main hallway, which leads to the living room and kitchen. As soon as you enter, you'll notice the abundance of natural light that pours in from the floor-to-ceiling windows, which offer a wide view of the sea and the city. This corner unit has a private balcony that is truly a gem of this property, allowing you to fully appreciate the panoramic view. Moving into the kitchen, you'll immediately feel a sense of peace and order, thanks to the wide cabinetry and the cozy lighting. The kitchen is fully equipped with high-end Bosch appliances, an integrated refrigerator, and an island that is perfect for dining and entertaining. Also, this island includes a deep sink and plenty of plug-in options so you can effortlessly power your kitchen gadgets and devices. Just next to the kitchen, an invited space room awaits, offering flexibility for an office or guest room, featuring a projecting window and generous closet space to ensure a clutter-free atmosphere. Back to the main hallway, you'll find the entrance to the master bedroom, which offers a breathtaking ocean view. The sliding doors connect to the main balcony, allowing you to wake up every morning with the Miami sunrise directly from your bed. The bedroom has an ample walk-in closet and a private bathroom that features a double vanity sink and a sleek glass door shower. From the living room, you'll find the entrance to the 3rd bedroom, which also has a sliding balcony door, a closet, a walk-through bathroom that connects the living room and the bedroom area. Before we move to the building's amenities, remember to follow me in all of my social media accounts and let me know in the comments down below what was your favorite part of this magnificent condo unit.
Now, let's talk about the stunning main one-of-a-kind swimming pool, located on the rooftop with several chairs for relaxing and sunbathing, surrounded by glass railings to enjoy the breathtaking 360 degrees view of the ocean and the city just directly from the pool. It's a truly beautiful place that also has an equipped space for your barbecues. In addition, you will find a second swimming pool on the lower level with wider spaces and also a barbecue area. Perfect places to entertain your guests. Paraiso Bayviews features a spacious gym with top-of-the-line equipment perfect for your workout, from heavy weights to cardio and yoga routines, with a fit and contemporary decor complemented by beautiful views of the neighborhood. There is also a shower, sauna area for you to unwind and relax after your workout. The building also includes an entertainment room that it is a perfect place to have fun with your guests without having to leave the building. You can use the large TV and pool tables to spend quality time with your family and friends. This place additionally features a children's room, a dining and meeting room, and last but not least, private tennis courts, perfect for your practice or to have fun with your friends. Paraiso Bayviews condo building offers a truly sophisticated upscale living experience, complete with breathtaking views, high-end finishes, and top-of-the-line amenities.
And this has been all for today. Let me know what are your thoughts down in the comments. Let me know other ideas that you want me to record here in Miami, Florida. It could be mansions, condos, developments, or if you want to know more about a specific neighborhood. Don't forget to subscribe down below and hit the notification bell. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok for more real estate tips, tricks, and news at Stefania Mogollon.